Hey guys, it's DestinyLashae. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for rolling with me. And make sure your notifications are turned on. And if you're not subscribed, sis, subscribe. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the makeup products that I hate. I honestly hate is a really strong word. I just really dislike these products on myself. So the first product that I've tried and I really just do not like is the Spackle Under Makeup Primer by Laura Geller. And this is what it looks like. I just feel like this is a lotion and it does nothing for my skin. I don't know. It does nothing for me. This feels really nice on the skin. It just doesn't do anything in terms of like keeping my makeup on longer. It just feels like a regular lotion. The next product is foundation, and this is a foundation that I really wanted to love. I feel like everyone here on YouTube loved it except for me. It just made my skin look so old. It emphasized my texture and it just did not look good at all on me. So the foundation is the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation, and they actually sent these to me and I was super excited to try them out. Did anyone else purchase this? Because I was going to buy this before it was sent to me, but honestly I was really disappointed when I put it on my face. And I feel like the color range was good, but the undertones on me just did not match. I personally love stick foundation, so I feel like that's why I was really hyped about this product. But when I wore it a couple times, I was not feeling it, and I don't know what it was. So I'm gonna use the color Almond, which is this shade right here, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. The coverage on this foundation is really nice. Like I said, it's just the undertone and how it emphasized my texture. I don't know. I just wasn't here for it. Another thing, as I'm blending this in, the foundation just looks super dry and cakey on my face. No matter what primer I use, you guys know I like a dewy, wet looking face. No matter what primer I use under this foundation, it just looks super dry. So the next product is the Anastasia Concealer in the color 5.0. I've tried it, as you can tell, multiple times. I just do not like this concealer at all. I feel like when I use it on my eyelids, it's just really oily. Underneath my eyes, it creases a lot. I don't know. I just can't get with it. So I'm going to use this little brush to apply it under my eyes first because it's in this little pot. And I'm going to apply it underneath my eyes. And I usually like cream concealers because they're a lot thicker and they give you more coverage. Now this concealer definitely gives you the coverage. It's just a little bit too greasy for me. Have you guys tried this concealer? Let me know in the comments down below, because if there's a good way to use it, I'll definitely try it again. It's already creasing underneath my eyes a lot. Another thing is when you let this concealer sit too long, it gets stuck in one place and it's really tough to blend out. All right, it looks so crazy. So the next product is this No Color Powder by RCMA. I feel like this powder is good for setting underneath your contour, but I feel like for setting underneath the eyes, for me, it's just a little too dry. And another thing that I don't really like about this RCMA powder is that the way it comes out. So as you can tell, it's like a little shaker. It looks like seasoning and I just don't like it. It gets everywhere and it's just really messy. So as you guys can see, underneath my eye area is just really creasing a lot. I'm going to use a beauty blender and use that powder to go underneath my eyes. Oh my goodness. The concealer like disappeared in certain areas, so you can like see my skin through the concealer and it looks cakey and dry and just gross. So the next product, I really do like the whole line except for this shade. The shade is just a little bit too dark for me and it makes my contour look really muddy. It's the LA Pro Concealer in the color Dark Cocoa. The color is just too dark. I don't hate LA Pro concealers. You guys know I use that in almost every video. It's just that I don't like this color for me. And it was in my makeup drawer, so I was like, it's going in the video. So I'm gonna go in and contour my nose. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender to blend it out. That contour is so muddy. This color on me, because my undertones are more red and yellow, this contour shade just looks like mud on my skin. You know how when you do your makeup and you're just done trying because it looks so bad? That's how I feel right now. I'm gonna use some of that powder and I'm gonna go underneath my contour with it. I don't really have a brow product that I don't like, so I'm just gonna fill in my brows really quickly with this Eyelure eye pencil. Honestly, I did my brows in 2.2 seconds because at this point I just don't care to make this look cute because it's over, like, done. So the next product that I just did not really like is the L'Oreal Galaxy Holographic Highlighter. I just really didn't like the formula of it. It's just not a highlighter that I would use. I just really can't explain why I don't like this. It's just the formula. It's just something about the formula of this that I don't like. So the next product is the Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlighter. I feel like this product just didn't look good on me by itself. Now it'll probably look good on top of this highlight because it's a cream. Honestly, I will try this out again because it looks very nice on top of a cream highlight. So I'll have to try this product again. I've tried it 5 times or if not more already. But I'm gonna have to try it again and just layer it and see if I like it on top of something else. Actually, in my box here, I have another highlight that I used to love. It's the Mack Gold Deposit Highlighter. I feel like this was so popular back in the day, but now no one talks about it. I feel like this highlight just is not what highlights need to be nowadays, because now I like a really glowy highlight, and this one just doesn't give me that look. And back in the day, I mean, highlight wasn't even a thing. This has been in my highlight drawer for years and I just never used it. So we're gonna try it out again today and see if I still feel the same way. I'm just gonna put some right here, here. I'm gonna try some on top of this. Yeah, it just doesn't give me that look. So I feel like on top of a cream, both of these highlights will work, but generally I don't cream highlight first. This highlight just isn't as nice as some of the highlights that I already have in my collection that I love to use anytime I do my makeup. But this is still really nice. I feel like layered on top of that cream, it makes it look a lot better. So the next product is the Ardell Magnetic Lashes. Now, I have not tried these out before. I looked at the box and rolled my eyes, I'm not gonna lie. Magnetic lashes, like really? I just had a feeling that I was not gonna like this product. I just feel like, I don't know, magnetic lashes, like, is that a thing? Are we making this a thing? Have you guys tried out magnetic lashes? If so, do you like them? I just feel like I'm not gonna like them. How do you do this? Seriously. Okay. Let me get the other one. Okay. So I'm gonna try to do this. Okay. This is just too cumbersome. Oh. Okay, I have the 2 lashes put on together, but it's hard to get them on the base of my lash line. Honestly, I'm just really too impatient for this. And what happens if you have little lashes? Like, how are these supposed to connect? Okay, so like I thought, the magnetic lashes for me are a complete fail. So the next product is the Kylie Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Brown Sugar. I purchased this myself and I felt like it would look like a really good nude on me at the time. I haven't purchased Kylie Cosmetics since the first launch, and honestly I regret buying every single lipstick because they break out my lips around the outer portion, and I noticed that when I was wearing that red shade a lot. I feel like her products are really hyped up and they're really expensive for what you're getting, but honestly I'm no hater. Do you, girl, get your money. But as of for right now, I probably won't be purchasing anything else from Kylie Cosmetics just because her products don't look that appealing to me. But honestly, if I could return these liquid lipsticks, I would, because I just don't like them and I don't wear them at all. So the very last product is something that I really wanted to love, and I wanted to use this on my skin when I was not wearing makeup, and I just did not like it. This is the Mario Badescu Skincare Rose Water Spray. I feel like everyone and their mom on Twitter loves this. I just find that there are other products that are better. Even in the drugstore, I love the NYX Dewy Setting Spray or the NYX Matte Spray. Those are really good. I just don't like this one as much anymore. and I feel like the fragrance on this is really strong for me. So that's why I don't really pick this up. From the viewfinder, it doesn't look like my foundation and everything looks horrible, but in person, my concealer is breaking up underneath my eyes. My highlight looks too white, and my foundation is like breaking down. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you. And I will see you guys in the next video.